Welcome back, good morning, and you've joined me again, and I'm still building up the layers of wax polish onto the uppers of the shoe. I'm using a Saphir Pack Deluxe, and as I did yesterday, I just keep getting this wax into every nook and cranny of the shoe, everywhere I possibly can. And reason number 11 doing this, and it might sound a bit silly this, but it's not. Let me give you some background. Not too long ago I found myself with a lot of time and nowhere much to go, and I had the materials, so I built myself a shed. Now a shed, outside as it is and not made of brick, needs to be protected, not just from the weather, but from rodents, from, well, anything that life can throw at it. And one of the chief ways in which I kept it warm was to insulate it. And I did that with layer after layer of wood, paint, polystyrene sheets, more wood, varnish, cladding on the inside. My shed walls are about 7 layers thick, and it's as warm as toast in there. Just what you need. Now, how does that relate to what I'm doing now? Well, let me tell you, insulation is a marvellous thing. And if you keep putting layers and layers of wax on your shoes, you're building up a layer of protection each time. Not necessarily to keep the heat in, that's not really what it's all about, but you're keeping the wet out. And also, these layers of polish that you're putting on, they're going to take the brunt of any light scratches or scuffing that happens, so that should you damage your shoe, often it's only the polish that you've damaged. And you can do what I did in about the second one of these episodes and remove it using the Reno mat, or if it's really bad, you can actually sand them. I've done a video where I sand out some scuffs and scratches in the toe cap with very fine sandpaper. But hopefully you'll never go down that far to the leather if you're careful with your shoes, but you will get them scratched, it's bound to happen. So layer after layer of wax polish protects them from that. Now that's 2 coats, 3 more to go, and come back tomorrow and I'll tell you reason 12 for polishing your shoes. Thanks for watching.